So guys, I like this. I really, really like this. I like it for my fruits and vegetables. I don't think I would use it for meats, but I mean, it probably could. I mean, because you can sanitize it because it's all rubber.
Thank you, CB's crew, for supporting our Circle Plus.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to our Circle Plus. Hey, if you're new, my name is Debbie. I am the mother of a 31-year-old who's on the autism spectrum, and I just decided to document our lives and welcome aboard. I hope you become a CB's crew. So anyway, for today, guys, I wanted to come in and introduce the vlog first of all, and I decided to order something off of Amazon. I'm gonna do an unboxing, so give me a few minutes, okay? So what it is, guys, it is a over-the-sink roll-up rack. I know you guys have seen this. So I've been really interested in just trying this. I guess I have to take it out. All right, let me take it out. Guys, so this is what it looks like. I can wash, excuse me, guys. That's my dog Buster. Um, so you can wash fruits. It says, yeah, food drainer, and it's dishwasher safe. Sits over the sink, leaving counter free. Rolls up for space saving storage, and it's strong. So it's like a rubber. It's really cool. I like it. I don't think I can put it the other way, but I like this. So the next time I buy fruits and vegetables, I'll just wash this off first. Wash the fruits and vegetables off on top of here first before I put them away. And I've been promising you guys a refrigerator clean and organization, and it's coming. I just ordered some things from Amazon. Hold on just a minute. Hold on. Okay, as I was saying, I know I've promised you guys a refrigerator clean out and organization. So today I placed an order on Amazon for some storage things that I need for the refrigerator. And I think it's coming in, it said the 19th. So that sounds like Wednesday. I don't know if I'll have enough time to actually clean the refrigerator and utilize them on Wednesday for Thursday's upload. For those of you who are new and started watching me today, I upload on Sundays and Thursdays. So hoping to kind of build that back up again to where it's 3 to 4 times a week and just be consistent with you guys. But my job was it's very demanding sometimes and it doesn't allow that. So anyway, I'm excited and I really like the way this feels. And you just roll it up like so and store it, guys. It's rubbery. It feels really rubbery. But I love black, so I'm gonna try it. I can't wait to try it. So anyway, I'll pick you guys up again either later today or tomorrow because I'm going to Target, so I'm gonna take you guys with me. Good morning, y'all. It's Sunday and I am waiting for my cousin to come pick me up to go to Target this morning. So I'm going to do a quick Target run, and I think I need to go by Home Depot. So I'm going to take you guys with me. You hear some snorting in the background. That's CB. It's allergy season, so he's having a bout with his allergies this morning. So I'm going to go ahead and give him medicine, and then I'm going to head out when my cousin comes to pick me up, and I'll bring you guys with me. All right. These are $1.89 per pound. How many pounds? Let's see. Per foot, it don't say. I guess you have to weigh it. Where's the
This is 3 pounds.
for
And
four?
that's 4.30.
So you think you're getting a better buy?
Well, y'all had on how much you said they
What does it say?
That's the trick.
It is.
So they probably gonna do a pound, but look how many grapes
Yeah.
you know people are
Let me go get a basket then, a bushel or whatever that is. I want the red. Did you try them?
that's great.
I know. Is it? The red is delicious. The one I just tasted, they are delicious. That's what I do. So, you already know where we are. I think I'm out of coffee. So, pumpkin. I better not do that. Okay, this is non-dairy almond milk pumpkin spice. I'm gonna try that. And I need to get me some more coffee, cold coffee. Let's see. Well, that's almond milk, so it's probably going to be better for me. Okay, need to get the coffee. So all the juices. Okay. Okay, guys. I don't know whose cup this was, but it's gotta go. Guys, so real quick, I got really carried away with my cousin because I was with her. So from Target, I was able to pick up the pumpkin spice latte. It has the almond milk. And then I purchased some Philadelphia cream cheese. This happens to be the flavor of, I think it's, yeah, honey pecan. I picked up a couple of packages of these. This is the tuna creators. This is the Thai chili. And then I have the lemon pepper. And then I picked up, I don't know what you call this, seedless grapes, crate or whatever you want to call it. And then here are the plain bagels. And then of course I bought me my coffee. And I picked up some Ritz crackers. And I also picked up this, I think it's the cocoa butter formula. It heals and softens your skin. Picked up, of course, you know, it's allergy season. And my cousin and I went to Einstein Bagel. Oh, and by the way, I purchased this green sweater, guys. I'm going to try it on. I'm going to try it on for you guys. Hold on. So guys, I bought this sweater from Target. It is so soft. It feels almost like cashmere. Anyway, I love this green. Green happens to be one of the colors for the fall. But this sweater, I think, is a medium. And I have to roll up the sleeves for me. But it's $35. And again, it was from Target. So, yeah. Very nice. Okay, guys, I'm back. I forgot to tell you guys, I did end up going to Home Depot. Recently, my back patio lights have gone out, and I can't quite figure out which lights I need to buy to replace them. So anyway, for a temporary fix, I saw this at Home Depot, guys. It's a modular light. And it works off of solar, and it takes, I think it takes AA batteries, if I'm not mistaken. 4 AA batteries, guys. So anyway, this was $19.99 at Home Depot. So one of my missions was to go out and find this again. If you guys know where I can find this, this is the Gain Power Blast. I love this stuff, guys. I mean, I can clean, like if the dogs make a mess or if I have like a spot someplace, this takes it out. I like the Dawn as well. I think I prefer the scent from this one. The Dawn smells nice, don't get me wrong. And I got plenty of the Dawn because I got it from Sam's. But I have been looking for this and I didn't find it at Target, didn't find it at Home Depot. The only other place I can think of that I may have found it would be Walmart. So I may go to Walmart in the next week or so, but it's not a major thing. But if any of you guys know where I can buy this, please let me know in the comments. So next I'm going to remember the what was it? The overlay, what do you call this thing? I don't even know what you call it, guys. Anyway, I did the unboxing yesterday. So, you know, I bought some grapes today. So what I'm going to do, which by the way, guys, I used this last night when I washed dishes. I used it as a drying rack. It works. I'm really liking this. I love this. So I'm going to get the grapes and I'm going to wash them off. So give me a few seconds. I don't know how many. This may be a little over a pound. I don't know. Anyway, it looks like 3 pounds. I'm sorry, my bad. Probably isn't 3 pounds because you know how people come along and pick stuff out of bins and things like that when they're setting up. But anyway, I'm trying to get the grapes out to go ahead and wash those. And then I'm gonna probably use the same tub that it came in to store it until the plastic containers that I purchased come in this coming week. So I'm gonna wash that container out and let me show you guys. Okay, so as you can see here, the grapes are on the rack. Of course, you know I clean everything with vinegar, so I'm gonna go and get some vinegar and clean the grapes. And then afterwards, I'm going to clean this and put the grapes back in there. You guys, I really like this. I've already poured the vinegar. I use sometimes apple cider vinegar, and sometimes I use distilled vinegar, but whatever vinegar I have on hand, I just use that to wash my meats as well as my fruits and vegetables. So, and I will just let this sit and dry. And I'll just dry them off with a paper towel. And then, of course, the container, I'll just spray some dish soap and wash it out really well. And once the grapes are dry, I can put them back in the container that they were purchased in. So, guys, I like this. I really, really like this. I like it for my fruits and vegetables. I don't think I would use it for meats, but I mean, it probably could. I mean, because you can sanitize it because it's all rubber. I love this. So anyway, here are the grapes cleaned, and I put them back in the original container, as you can see, because I don't have anything to place them in the refrigerator. So I'm going to put them in the refrigerator, and then I'll come back to you guys. So guys, that's going to be it for me. But I wanted to let you guys know that I have, and I'll probably do an unboxing. I did purchase Clinton's earphones. They're wireless, and they are the ones that drown out outside noise. So I've been on the hunt for like an MP3 player for him, something not expensive, that if he loses it, it's not a big thing, that he can link it to and put his music on there. And I think that'll probably help him with the traffic issues. So that's one thing. And then another thing, let me show you. How are you?
You're burning.
You fine? Good. Do you like this thing?
Yes.
You do? So guys, it's a music starlight for the bedroom, and it lights up the space. Let me tell you something. I'm gonna put a clip in here for what it looks like when it's totally dark in his room. I think these are the settings that you can set it to. One is home plan, home pony or something. I don't know. I have my glasses on, but one of my eyes is irritated right now. The night light. The other one is relaxation, ambient light, starlight dinner, and game room. So these are the three, the settings, not the three, but 6 settings on here. And then it can link up to your music, guys. So that's another reason why I want to get him an MP3 player. So All right. Thank you, dude. Say bye to the vlog.
Thanks, Mom.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Okay. So, guys, that's going to be probably it for the vlog. I will get back with you guys on Thursday. So, hope you guys have a great week. It's supposed to rain here. I'm praying for it because my yard needs it. It looks like nobody lives here right about now. But, of course, you know, everything's going up. Electricity, water, everything. So, I have to cut back somewhere, especially since Clinton takes 2-hour showers. So anyway, until then, you guys have a great, wonderful week, productive week, safe week, and I'll see you guys on Thursday. Bye. I could definitely get into this at night. Oh my goodness, look at that, guys. Can you imagine it having some soft music on? Wow. Loving it. The white spots on here are actually green, guys. Green and blue. Yeah. It is so cool. Yep. It has a remote to it. Like I said, I don't want to touch it because it's not my device. So let me see here. Oh, yeah, I didn't realize that light was out. Let me see if I can figure this out. Here's the, oh wow. Let me see.